QUBT stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is quantum computing stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down for the next upcoming week and onwards, especially with QUBT. It's because this is pumping very nicely and I'm just looking to find a trade to take it even further higher. If I zoom out, all these links that you're seeing is just previous proof of me doubling down, buying like crazy. It's all started right here, like ranging back when it was $2.65 8 months ago. Since then it started freaking pumping like crazy. On the way up, I've been just milking it. If you've been watching my videos, you will know what I mean, especially now. Looking at QUBT, right, this is nice. This is very nice. It's just that I would have not randomly bought here. Like, even though I got like 3 longs in a row, the one thing that's gonna make me be in the 4th one, I mean, this is not even the 4th one, I think this is like the 12th one, right? But it just must break above 1717. Coincidence? I don't think so. But if I don't see that second shift, then there's just no way that I will look to double down on this. Very simple. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.